observed every year on 28 July to raise awareness about the importance of protecting our planet for future generations, inspiring people to take action towards a sustainable living and also providing opportunity to come together and make a difference.
One of the key goals to bring awareness is balancing between the economic growth, environmental protection, and social responsibility, which leads to sustainable development. Another important aspect of World Nature Conservation Day is recognition of the role an individual plays with his or her special efforts in making the environment go green.
World Nature Conservation Day has become an important event in the environmental calendar. So let us all consider this as a great opportunity and celebrate our planet Earth by taking an action to protect it. Thank you.